I'm just a rat. And rats will do rat things. If you're skilled, you could just pitta-patta with your hands. I think that this will be good. Yo, what's up? It's Ratgirl, and today we're gonna be doing an episode of Let's Test This Mold. I got my gloves on. What do we got? We've got coasters, a bunch of them. So think of emojis. We've got all these little faces. We've got heart eyes, smiley face, star guy, and I don't know what this one means. I think it means like
I'm not doing too good.
I'm in a different setup than usual, but I did not want to miss a video this week. I wanted us to have one. So here we go. Let's mix. Sometimes I don't clean my cups, but it's okay because this is a designated pink cup. And then we're going to start a new one for sage green. There we go. So we've got this is our old label, our old packaging. We're still dealing with a few extra in the inventory, but we use it for content. So when you order from us, this is not the packaging you'll be getting. That's the new packaging, by the way. There's just no label on it because I take it with me. I'm not gonna waste the label when I
know what's in here.
For the videos, usually we show y'all the ones with the labels, but I'm at home in my little personal studio and I'm changing things around. I'm gonna be getting a new backdrop here on the table. Something cool. No more pink. The pink is going. I threw it out. It got really dirty. The tarp that I had on my table. Yeah. Ratgirl is doing some New Year's cleaning. I think that this will be good. Make sure you have water. Yeah, I know I'm using a poster on the backdrop today, but like I said, I wanted to deliver a video. Is that a good consistency? I actually hate mixing in squared containers, but I think this was squash soup from a local shop, and I don't like to waste. We've spoken about this before. These are totally normal. When you see pieces like this, you just break it up with your hands like this. Always try to recycle. I've never bought in containers to do this. I'm gonna go pretty quick once I start doing the coasters.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
I'm gonna vibrate. I really like a little marble, so we're gonna marble. But first, before I marble, I do put a little layer down. We're gonna take some green, and we're gonna put it right here. And we're gonna marble it in to the coaster, like that. You put a little bit at a time, and you vibrate. See a little marble here? And same thing, we're gonna keep going. And we're gonna come back after, I wanna say, since it's a thin mold, 3 hours. So I'll be able to get it before the... What's up? I'm back with a demold of coasters. Previously I said that they were all like little emojis, so you can actually kind of see before we pop out that they have little faces on them. And yeah, we made them green and pink. So now we're going to demold nice and slow. This is a really easy silicone and it's gonna be really cool. Nice. See, that was a perfect casting. Not a single void there. And we got a little sad man. We're kind of doing a little mold roulette here. I'm not gonna flip them over. We're just gonna see the faces together. I don't know which one this is. I hope it's a smiley face. Let's see. Oh no, we got the anxious, sicky face. Really good job at pouring. I see a little bit of voids here, but the mix was perfect. Let's see this one. Got a little star face here. Looks awesome. Let's see what this one is. Let's see. Ooh, little electric dude. Wow, these actually are all good. Okay, knock on wood. I don't have wood around here, but we're on The 5th one. We're on a roll. Let's see. Is the casting good in this one too? Yes, it is. I just see a little bit of a void here, but that's good. That's cool. We're working with it. Last one. Hard eyes. Sweet. So they all work. I'm really proud. Overall, success. This is actually probably one of the best things in a numerous quantity that I've casted. They all fit together. There's a nice little sequence. They all have the same colors, same amount of dye. And like we can kind of see here, it's not 100% cured. There's a bit of wetness here, so it's gonna dry. I can see like a dark pink. It's not dark pink. It's gonna dry up. We can see some patches a little bit. The concrete is not done airing out. That's it. Okay, so that was an episode of Let's Test This Mold, and I'll see you next time.